If you're one of those people who are asking, what do I do while I'm waiting for my manifestation? I don't have it yet, but it still is not here. Guess what? You are perfectly manifesting not having it. Because the point is to stop waiting for it to happen, honey. Because what you are doing, you are putting yourself on a waiting vibration when you're not supposed to do that at all. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually stop waiting and start manifesting correctly. Hey loves, my name is Sammy and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a few years since I start discovering different ways of manifesting the things that I want into my life. And I can say one of the easiest way to manifest is to assume whatever it is that you want is already yours. It's already done. So we assume we already have what we want. You assume it's true and it's true. You assume it's done and it's done. It's called law of assumption. So you need to think as if it's already the case, as if it's already yours. I want you to understand, as long as we're thinking, we are creating, we are manifesting. So why do you think you have to wait for your manifestation? As soon as you are changing your mindset and the way you think and believe, everything will change. I'm going to tell you something that will change the manifestation game for you forever. As soon as you hear this, what I'm going to tell you, the shift will happen without you even realizing it. It's just your limiting beliefs that you think manifestation take time. It's just your limiting beliefs that you think manifestation, it's a process. No, honey, anything can happen instantly or really fast. That's just your limiting beliefs. So I just want you to understand the only reason it's not instant. Because you are claiming waiting. Because you have a belief manifestation take time. But why do you need to wait to make an assumption? I mean, you are making assumption every day, all day about yourself and the world around you without you even realizing it sometimes. So why do you think you need to wait to make an assumption? Just assume you already have what you want. The way you think and talk as if it's already the case, as if it's already happened. But let's just be honest, you guys are not so disciplined at doing this. For you, it's like, I have it. But what if it doesn't happen? I have it. But it still is not here. Do you hear yourself? That's exactly why you don't have it. Because you are sending a mixed signal to the field. I have it, I don't have it. I have it, but what if it doesn't happen? Come on, honey. If you want to change your life and if you want your manifestation, you've got to stop. No, seriously, you've got to stop. Because I can't make you stop. My videos can't make you stop, but you can make you stop. You need to discipline yourself. The way you think and talk as if it's already happened, as if it's already yours, till you actually see it in your reality, till you receive your manifestation. I want to ask you a question. Who are you waiting on? There's no one to wait on, honey. It's just you. You hold all the power. Manifestation happens through you. Everything happens through you. You hold all the power. I really want you to understand that because I don't know what you thought before. I used to think there's a power outside of me. But no, honey. There's no universe outside of you. You are the universe. I really want you to realize that. There's no archangels, spirit guides, angels outside of you can give you your manifestation. You hold all the power. We are so powerful. We have all the tools within us. Your desires are waiting for you to finally step up and realize they are yours. Claim them. The universe is looking at your validation. So stop subscribing to waiting and start receiving. Thank you for being here. Grateful for you, for this moment. I see you soon.